the gentle waves of violet light flow into this room. They envelop you and let feel Zadkiehl. Angel Zadkiehl stands before you, and with great joy I speak the heavenly greeting of Omar Tassat to you. The sounds of this greeting envelop your soul in the energy of reality. And with these tones, you expand and get into the higher consciousness of love. Angel Zadkiehl speaks to you today to take away the burden of your concern, the burden of your doubts. Angel Zadkiehl comforts you and frees you from all energies that are hindering you at this moment. And so, I have activated the purple jet of purification for you. With this ray of purification, I will now dissolve all the structures in your system which are burdening you right now. Let it happen, for it happens for your supreme good. And if you have physical pain, I will lead it into healing with the violet ray of transformation right now as well. Let this happen, for it happens in the deepest love of Angel Zadkiehl. And so I touch you with my sinus beam and the tones of violet light at every spot in your body where you feel pain. Feel the relief and surrender a little deeper to the energies. Relax as much as you can now. Angel Zadkiehl works for you. The celestial sounds of reality support the process of healing. Let it happen and trust. Angel Zadkiehl now sends a certain crystal which dissolves your pain. Now, please put both hands out. I will touch your hands with my hands. I now place my hands in your hands, and the transforming energy of the gentle violet light flows into you. This light flows exactly to the places in your body where healing is possible. The structures of the pain are solved, as it is good and right for you in this moment. Enjoy the energies from the highest source of love, from the reality that Zadkiehl brings you. The crystal of pain relief still flows to you. This crystal finds its way. It flows into your body through the contact of my hands. Angel Zadkiehl has worked in your thought funnel and solved negative and obstructive structures in your emotional field. All these structures can be responsible for your feeling pain. Angel Zadkiehl recommends, as often as it is possible for you, to carry out this healing message with me, because every repetition will work deeper in your system. And so it may be that you will feel better from time to time. And so I have worked full of joy and devotion for you. And so I carry the golden Ananasha to you. And bid me farewell with deep love.